What's up, y'all? You know, it's boy Saga. I might wearing this backwards because today at school is backwards day. Let me take this apart. So right now we have an unboxing. It was like this little sale, and then when we sell some stuff, I sell 25 stuff. I'm the highest in the game. But you guys, I got some stuff. I'm about to unbox one thing. I was just about to do it, but I was like, I'm about to do it. So here it is, right here. It's the stuck card. So I'm just about to take it out real quick. Oh, and it gave me, Mama! It gave us our own batteries. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, here it is. Gave us our own batteries and everything. So first off, let's take off the card. Ooh, the card's right here, you guys. I didn't know how to play with these. I've been playing with these. Not really this. Oh, and it's a charge. Better be charged. Next is the battery, you guys. Oh, let me show you guys the charger. Then
make sure you go to the
I am.
I told you to pack your stuff.
Pack my stuff. Wait, this goes. I'm eat some of my chicken real quick.
I'm gonna get a bite.
Mom, didn't you just have one chicken? Okay, so you guys, the battery. But here's the thing, remote control thing. Is it? Wait. Okay, so basically we need to. This thing needs a charger, and the charger's right here. Hold up, you guys. Butter knife. I'm gonna try to open this part so I can just add the stuff. No, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so you guys, I got it to come out. It's out. The screws right here. I do not want to lose that. Oh, so wait. This need to be on. Okay, so you guys, let's figure out something. This we need to put battery, but this we don't need the battery. Mom! Hold up. I'm gonna pause the video. Here you go, I'm back. I'm gonna get my item that I was using there. About to unloose this part. Alright, it's unloosing. Where that screw at? Please don't tell me I lost it. Please don't tell me I lost it. Yes, I didn't lost it. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna have to put this inside of the car. So let's do that. It's playing, you guys. Let me turn it off. I turned it off. That was just. Huh?
So you be working outside?
Yeah, sometimes. Not really.
You know people in here?
Yeah. Some of my friends go to, well, some of my friends, yeah, from my school go here. Help you guys.
Is it working?
Yeah, want to hear it?
You put that in the controller?
Yeah.
Let me see. Look it up.
I need 2 batteries.
Oh, you don't got no batteries for these? Where they at?
I don't know. I think my mom got it. I don't know. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Part 2 is coming up when I actually start playing with it. Bye, guys.